Hey, you guys. This is our backyard plowed out. Got some major snow. Right, Toby? Toby? How are you? How you doing? You a good boy? You are a good boy. Yes, you are. And there's Halo. Get out of the light so you can see her. And Jackie.
Blizzard of 2011.
The blizzard.
Frickin' blizzard.
You're not kidding, a blizzard.
It's already been snow plowed up back here.
Yeah, I did it once this morning. You can see there's some pretty big drifts back here. I'll take you outside again. Yeah. Hang on one second. So this is going out from my house. You can see it's pretty deep back here. Just up there, that's the edge of my car. You can see it drifted up to the doors, almost to the top of the doors. They still haven't plowed our street yet. Oh, Toby, what are you doing? This gives you a good idea of the snow here. I'm laying down on the sidewalk just about here. You can see how deep it is. Crazy deep. I think we got more than 17 inches myself. It's crazy. Everybody's running around on their snowmobiles. I got my truck dug out finally. Hi, Tope. It's our next door neighbor across the street. That's it. Blizzard 2011. Toby. Hey, Tobe. What are you doing? You a good boy? Yeah, you are. Come on. Yep. So, stay warm in Arizona. I'll talk to you later.